Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my giant couponing haul for the week of April the 11th through the 17th, 2025. I do shop at Giant, a lot of times Martin's, and sometimes Stop and Shop will have the same deals, but not always. Even Giant to Giant can vary, so always check your own personal ad in your area. I will have my shopping list in the description box below. So starting today, you are able to redeem for your free Easter ham or Stouffer's family size product. But we'll talk about that in a little bit. So stores were pretty crazy, which generally, whenever they have that offer, the stores get crazy. So I just found some of these items marked down. These were only 69 cents, $2.50, and I found this rotisserie chicken for $3.99. Always check the yellow tags, looking for bakery markdowns, meat markdowns, and then the clearance tags, of course. There were a lot of clearance items. You want to check out your frozen breakfast area. The little frozen snack foods, and in the razors, there was a lot of clearance over there as well. So we'll get into the items that I found. The Breyers non-dairy is on sale for $4. They gave us that 3 off of 3 digital, and then Fetch is giving back 2,000 points for each one. Now, it didn't recognize that chocolate one, so I had to correct the receipt, but after that goes through, I only paid $3 or $1 each, so hopefully those taste good. Oat milk is really yummy, so I'm sure they will. The pancakes I found 40% off at $1.61. The Gillette Pro Glide Chill was on sale for $5.95. It's a clearance item at $23.79. I needed more Gillette razor refills. I can't use any of the Schick that I have in my stockpile. I guess I'm allergic to them now. So I was able to get that at a markdown price, so I was glad about that. The Giant brand butter is $3.99, but you can redeem 125 choice points to get it for free, but you technically pay $1.25, but that's an amazing price on butter. The salad is $3. When you redeem 100 choice points, you get it for free, but you still pay 100 points, so it's still equal to $1. The side is $3.34. When you spend 125 choice points, it takes off $3.33, so it's like you're paying $1.26 for that, and that's a pretty good price. The sweet potatoes were on sale for 88 cents. I don't know if they're going to go any cheaper next week because it's the week before Easter. So just go ahead and grab them now. Well, you can. That's what I did. The broccoli frozen vegetables are, if you redeem 50 choice points, you get it for free. But it only takes off $1.59, and the broccoli is $1.79. So I still paid 70 cents for that, but that's still a good enough deal for me. The cheaper products, it'll probably take the full value. So you're free, you can get spiral cut, butt portion, stouffers, lasagna, enchiladas, and there's something else I think you can get, the party size, with 400 choice points. However, I had a $3 back on Ibotta unlocked a couple of weeks ago, so that was still on my account. So I only paid $1 for this humongous lasagna, so I was super excited about that. The Lance BOGO crackers are on BOGO at $5.29, so that just makes them $2.65 each. That's a good enough deal for me. That's something my husband likes in his lunch and my kids like, so if you like crackers, it's a pretty good deal. Now, this was an online only deal. I did most of this stuff in an online pickup and just ran into the store and grabbed a few other things. So the Betty Crocker, oh, I forgot the jello. Pretend I have jello over here. So a little pack of jello was $1.50. I already put that in my cupboard. But anyway, so the jello is $1.50. The Betty Crocker is $3. So those are part of a spend 10, save $3. Now the Betty Crocker and the Pillsbury are also double dipping online with a buy 5, save $5. And the Pillsbury is part of a deal, buy 3, save $3. So this is kind of like a triple dip deal. They will all work. The Betty Crocker is $3. The Jello packet was $1.50. The Pillsbury were $3 each with $1 off a 2 digital coupon. So for all 7 of the items with the Jello there, it's invisible, but if it's there, it would be a cost of $7.50. So a little bit more than $1 each, which is a really great deal. That is products that I would use. So I was thankful to get it at that price. The Kinder is $1.69, and Fetch is giving back 100%. So they gave me back 1,690 points for each one. That is a limit of 2. The Thomas Bagels, English muffins, and I think the muffin tops are buy one, get one free at $5.29, so $2.65 each. A lot of the craft type items are buy 5, save $5. The Philadelphia is on sale for $2.50. So for 5 of them, you're going to pay $7.50 or only $1.50 each, which is a really great deal. And the Prego is $1.49 each when you buy 3. I did want to note, I'm not going to have a Wise haul up for you guys. I just grabbed a few repeat deals. And just so you know, the Thomas English muffin, buy 1, get 2 free, is only valid on the original. None of the other flavors are included. So if you were thinking about doing that deal and you like other flavors, just a heads up there. All right, guys, so that's all I grabbed this week over at Giant. Go ahead and leave your deal ideas in the comments down below. That's always helpful for myself if I decide to go back and for other people to check out. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.